Hello guys, once again welcome back. I Professor Pritisham Vibhute. Today I am going to demonstrate you a very useful tool or very useful mechanism to carry as much as possible information in your PowerPoint presentation by using a news like scrolling display. You can see that in current slide I have one scrolling display which is very much look like an how a news channel create their display at the bottom, and they used to show a breaking news over there. So for example, if you wanted to do an publicity of your channel, if you wanted to give any other additional information like how you can join my channel, how you can join my venture, how you can donate to our venture, something like that, if you wanted to bombard and users with some information continuously, then this is a very popular mechanism that is known as a news like scrolling display. So today I am going to demonstrate you how to create this scrolling display. So first of all, you need to create a PowerPoint presentation. So I created it. Now let me tell you, you can apply a scrolling display to one of the specific slide, or you can apply it to all slide. I personally prefer to applying it to the all slide so that it will not be an we can say interrupt in the information. To do that, first of all, I need to open a panel known as a slide master. Regarding slide master in detail, I will demonstrate you in next in one of the video, but today let me demonstrate you how to apply this particular scrolling display to all the slide. So I entered in a slide master. You can see that I am in a slide master mode, and this is a master slide. So simply click on master slide. Now the first thing that you need to do is to create a message. To create a message, see, for example, let me start with a scrap. I will delete this particular message. I am going in a insert, and then I am creating a text box. So I created text box, I pasted that particular text box, and now enter a message. This is a message which I want to scroll on all slides. So this is how I created a message. Now first thing that you need to do is to increase the fonts in such a way that it will be very much aligned with the size of our panel on which I am going to create a scrolling display. You can see that my font is little bit bigger, so I will adjust it accordingly. Now I reduced the size, and let me adjust it again. Okay, now this look more professional. Now next step to do is you need to bring that message in such a way that it will be on extreme right of your slide. See, this is how I created it, and I brought it to the extreme right of our slide. So this is essential because that display is gonna start from a right to the left. So that's why you need to bring it in a location such that the slide will be on extreme right of that particular message. Next is click on insert, or rather we need to create an animation. So click on animation and click on custom animation. Now don't forget to select these particular blocks because all effect we are going to apply to this particular block only. Now click on an effect known as a add-in effect, and then we are going to apply an effect known as a fly in. So fly in is an effect in which that object fly from some of the location. By default it will fly from a bottom, but we want it from a right, so that's why I selected it as a right. You can see that now that object, or in a preview you can see that that object is flying from left to right, but it is too fast. So now first of all I need to reduce the speed. So I am going to show you an basic simple mechanism to do that. So come over here and then go in a timing and then apply time. See, right now that journey to be completed in 0.5 second, I will increase it to the 15 second. It is dependent on the length of that particular message. So I have chosen a message which is hardly equivalent to the length of a slide, so it is a 15 second. I want it to start automatically, so you can select it as a with previous or after previous. Okay, you can choose any one among this. Delay if you want, you can apply it, but I don't want. Most important is repeat. Would you like to repeat it? Yes, I want to repeat it until end of the slide. Means unless and until I close the presentation, it will click on appearing over there. So these are the different settings that we need to do. Now simply click on OK. Now let's see how it look like. See, this is how it look like. Now close this slide master and go back to your presentation. I closed it and I'm back in my presentation, and again I'm demonstrating you how it look like. Now you can see that this is the message which I typed. This is a message I wanted to scroll on a all slide. So now it is properly sliding. Speed of that particular message is okay, the font is okay, and in fact the speed of sliding is also acceptable. It is something which is very much visible to the user and can be read very easily. Now with this we have completed one more session. In next session I will demonstrate a few more interesting things related to PowerPoint presentation. Hope you are doing well and you liked my session. If you liked it, please don't forget to like my video, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.